Hello, crafty friends. It's been a little while, and some of you know when I'm not crafting, the industry that I'm in is real estate, and it has been busy this year. And so I haven't had quite as much time to get on and show you my crafting. In fact, it's kind of funny. I think it's been about a year because it was kind of around fall that I did my last of my videos, and I was super excited. I found my box of Halloween cards that I made last fall and didn't get sent out because I made them probably a couple days after because you know, I just decided I was going to make them even though I didn't have time to send them last year. And sometimes that's how I do things, and it was actually really exciting to find them and be able to send them. And the funny thing is, then I didn't even get many of them sent. So it's been a busier season for me, but I'm getting a little bit more settled in, and I wanted to do another video. This one's a haul. It's not going to be crafting, but I'm hopeful in the next few days to show you some crafting with it, and maybe a little bit off because it may be after Halloween again that I get my Halloween things made. But I hope that you will enjoy following along. So this is a Queen & Company haul for the most part. There's a few things I'm going to show at the end that are not Queen Co. And then I had a little bit of a problem with something. I'll share that with you, my mistake as well, and see what you think of my solution. So I ordered this Happy Haunting Shaker Kit. It, as you can see, comes with a stamp set, the foam, the dies, the fillings, or toppings is what they call them, and the paper. And then they have these cute little, they show you like what dies do you need to make each of the little creatures. And so that's kind of fun. So just to show you, these are the toppings, and they always just have such bright and fun, colorful toppings. So those green are kind of neat. They're probably the Frankenstein. Some little black ones, purple, yellow, some black and silver, and then a different kind of orange. And then here's the sentiments. I always love their sentiments. I just feel like they're fun and usually something I can actually use. And on top of that, get this to put it behind it. Maybe that would make it easier to see. They stamp really well. Like sometimes you get a stamp and it's like, it just doesn't stamp very well. So pumpkin, sweet spooks and treats. Happy Halloween. Trick or treat. I hope it's sweet. Wishing you a perfect Halloween, because there's that kitty cat. Hand over the candy, no one gets hurt. Cauldrons bubble, broomsticks twitch. It's a very good night to be a witch. The monsters are creeping, the spiders are crawling, the witches are scaring, and the candy is calling. Jack-o'-lantern shining bright, wishing you happy haunting tonight. Vampires, witches, and monsters of my have a bewitching good time. And then there's Hello Pumpkin, haunting goats, and witch's brew. Happy Halloween to you. Wicked good candy here for the little ghouls and boys. Get prepared to be scared. And wishing you fright night fun. So those are kind of fun. And then also comes with this super cute pad of paper. Let's see if I can show it kind of where you can see the whole thing. It's a mounting stack, and let me get it open so I can kind of show you. There's this cute pumpkin paper, pretty stars, And they usually do a few sheets of each. I love those black and white stripes. That's actually a cute pumpkin as well. Those are some fun colorful stripes. Or those say boo. I guess it's kind of upside down. And this has all the little cute creatures that make up the dies. And then some black starred paper. Some purple bats. Purple's my favorite color and I love bats. So that one's fun. And some spiders. And then some dots. And some kind of zigzags. I don't know if there's a name for them. Just if there is, tell me in the comments if you know what it is. Some little stars. Kind of asterisk-y looking things. Some yellow stripes. Some cute little ghosts. If you know me, I love Halloween, but I like cutesy, not creepy. Some orange and white stripes. And I think that is it. Yeah, that's the whole little pad. So cute little paper pad. Then we have all the parts for the shakers, the film as well as the actual foam part that's needed. And then of course you have your dies. And the dies, you know, there's the cute little kitty, witch's hat, candy. This makes a monster and a pumpkin and maybe more of a monster. We'll have to play with it to really see. I don't know. And then here's my oops. I told you I had an oops, and you'll have to tell me your thoughts on this. Somehow I ordered 2 of the outline dies. I do not need 2 outline dies. And I double checked my order. It is not Queen & Co.'s mistake. It is my mistake. I ordered 2. Somehow I put 2 in my account. So my solution was to order a second Happy Haunting kit. They're on sale right now. And I think that at some point I will do a little giveaway. I might wait until next year when people might be a little more excited about having Halloween things. And I'll put the outline kit with the actual kit. That will be a really nice set for someone. And I think I might use it as a little giveaways because the outlines are not very helpful if you don't have the rest of the kit. And so my oops resulted in Queen & Co. getting some more business and hopefully somebody getting a fun prize. So, and then this set is considered, I think it's like one of their foundations sets. And it's all fall. So hello fall. There's an apple. If you know me, I actually have kind of a thing. I love apple stuff. An acorn. Some cute pumpkins and squash. Excuse me. This is just a little kind of almost nest looking circle thing. You can put like a sentiment inside it. Another apple and acorn. I wonder if those go together in some way. No, size doesn't look like it. Bunch of fall leaves. I think this might be a sunflower. That might be as well. Some more leaves, pine cone, leaves. Lots of leaves. So fall, it's funny, I had somebody say something about, oh, your favorite season about fall recently. I enjoy fall. Living in the area I do, it's so hot, we just look forward to summer being over. Spring is actually my favorite season. But my mom is a fall person and she loves fall leaves. We don't actually get fall leaves where I live. The trees do not turn. I have lived places that do, but I think that's part of it just because we don't actually have real seasons here. It's maybe not as exciting, but it is exciting in that it means it's not as hot. The summer finally goes away, hopefully. But I loved this, not all these leaves, but that was a really long story to tell you that it reminds me of my mom. So it's kind of a fun, leaves are like her thing. And so it makes me think of her. And I love that there's such variety in sizes and shapes. So I think this will be really fun. I look forward to playing with it. It does not have to be Halloween specific. It doesn't even have to be fall. You wouldn't have to do these other colors. You could do them green and they would be other seasons. So then I'll show you just a couple other goodies. I got these. I said it was a haul video. These a friend actually sent to me. And I just thought they were fun. This sparkly black. And that bat. I think she gave them to me because the bat. People know I like bats. Another friend, it's not even the same friend, but they go so well, so much sparkly black. Another friend gave me these spiders, which, you all know I do cutesy, not creepy, and we're a little bit borderline on the not cutesy here. But I think I'll find something fun to do with them. So if you have any thoughts, what should I do with that? Tell me in the comments. And then actually the friend that sent me this gave me this bag of little glitter. They're not just any glitter, guys. They're little bats. Wouldn't they be fun for filling? I might even use them on some of those shakers. Like, these, I think, might go with the Queen & Co. shaker stuff. That's part of why I want to show them in this haul. Also, because I just recently was given them. The other thing I was given were these pumpkins. And we'll just have, I think they would go well with some of that too, so we'll have to see what I do with that. And then, can I just show you, I don't know if any of the rest of you, like, if your grandma kept things in tins that, you know, like, weren't what the item that was in it, like, she just used those for storage. So, my grandma had one of these big, she probably had a couple big tins of these butter cookies, and they didn't have cookies in them. They had sewing supplies, and I loved those cookies, but it was so rare that they were actually in there that I remember I opened a tin and it actually had the cookies. I thought it was almost like a trick. Like, what do you mean it's supposed to have sewing supplies in here? So I actually saw these in the dollar store. They're just a cute little one, and I loved it, and I had to get one. I actually need to clean it out. It does have some crumbs in here, but I thought it was funny that I had this stuff on my desk. It was on here because I just eaten the cookies, and I thought, oh, how perfect. It can hold some of these little odds and ends of Halloween things that I have around. One of the friends who sent me these other things sent me some little die cut jack-o'-lanterns. I don't know if you can see those very well. And so those might pop up on some of those cards. And then she die cut for me these say spooky greetings. And some of it's this pretty sparkly white. And then, like, it has these little ghosts in the pretty sparkly white. So those also, I think I'll have to use those, both of those. And then she also sent, these are just so fun. Sometimes, you know, it's so funny, like, we think we have to give so much to people sometimes. And sometimes just a cute little bag full of just some little things that could go on cards is super fun. And she sent me these little, like, you know, how cute would those be? Just these little images, and I totally think I could use them on some cards. So, oh, this is actually a scrap from something she sent me that I already made, and then I had been die cutting, or I stamped them and then punched them. These little "May this season bring you smiles and love that will last all year." So those I actually made myself, but so I have the die and the stamp if I want to do more. Apparently when I was putting them away, they just checked well into that, but that shows you how easily you could do something like that for someone else. Like, how fun would it be to get in the mail just a little stack of, like, some, you know, images and sentiments and dies and stuff throw together in some cards. And then I have been doing some little like ribbon scraps and things that came off some other Halloween stuff recently. And then I think this was a freebie that Queen and Co gave me. And so I just threw them in here. Oops, sorry for the pink. And I thought it was kind of fun that it was like my grandma's sewing tin, but it's paper crafting. I do need to clean the cookies out of there though, because it has crumbs. So that's my little haul. Tell me your thoughts in the comments. I hope to be doing a couple the next few evenings. I want to do one probably using this happy haunting, one video using the happy haunting. I might do a video just kind of using the odds and ends that my friend sent me, and then maybe a third video that's trying to, how do I use this foundation set. So that's 3 different potential videos. And then I do have some other fall and Halloween sets that haven't been used yet that I want to play with as well. But I need to get back going on my Christmas stuff because Christmas cards need to go out soon. So I hope everyone's doing well. I would love to see your comments. Give me a comment and a thumbs up, or maybe subscribe to my channel. I'd love to hear from you. Have a great day, everyone.